cat's out of the bag.
That ain't no joke.
Yeah.
What we're working on today is a 2024 Corvette Z06. Customer brought it in, and he brought us in these brand new Soul Performance products, catalytic converters. They are what you call high performance, high flow catalytic converters. The big difference between your factory OEM catalytic converters and your aftermarket is the material inside. The catalytic converter compared to an OEM to an aftermarket high performance, they still do the same job. It cleans the emissions of the exhaust as it comes out of the tailpipe. But the biggest difference where it improves horsepower, helps improve performance, is the material inside and the way it's designed. So a factory OEM catalytic converter has very tight honeycomb material on the inside. So what happens is when your catalytic converter gets hot, it's doing its job as the engine's running, that material expands, it gets super hot, and it restricts the flow of the exhaust. So whenever you go to a high performance application, the honeycomb material inside the catalytic converter is spread out a little bit more. So think of it like,
Yeah, they are different.
whenever you take a garden hose and you fold it in half and you pinch it off and the water's just barely coming out.
Yeah.
And as you release that kink in the hose, then it's able to flow better. So that's the biggest difference between an OEM catalytic converter and an aftermarket high performance catalytic converter. The better you can let your engine breathe, i.e. whether it's on the exhaust side or the intake side, the better the engine's gonna perform, the better it's gonna run, and that is the difference between a high flow aftermarket catalytic converter and the reason we take them out and replace the OEMs.
And it makes it a little louder, right?
Yes. It should give this a really nice tone after we get done because like I said, it does choke off and restrict the exhaust flow, so it can change the exhaust tone itself for sure.
Cool.
So should have a nice little different tone to it whenever we get done with it.